Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you other useful tip for you. I think most of you faced to this situation. Sometimes when we work, we want to use additional monitor with laptop. So we can set up additional monitor using serial port or HDMI port. However, after connect that monitor we have to face a problem. We can't hear any sound from computer. So today I will show you how to fix it. Open the control panel. Then click on Hardware and Sounds. And select Sound. Now you can see sound window. Also you can open this sound window by using sound icon at the right side on the taskbar. Right click on it and click sound. Now you can see the sound window like before. Select playback tab. Now select speakers and headphones on it. Now click on set default. You can see now it's selected. Then click OK. Now you can hear sounds on computer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for useful tips and new creative releases. Like us on Facebook. www.facebook.com/easyofficeworks